No, look, it's recording.
Then this is as far as we get.
Look at that. Look.
Got to be Meg, Anna, Kate.
Say hi.
I'm gonna do it.
We're gonna try.
Say hi.
And you're gonna tell me which one approaches the bar.
Hi. Say, I love you. I love you. Okay, let me see. Where's your eyes?
She's the girl from the bar. We're gonna like help.
Show me your eyes. Eyes. Where's your... Oh. You're so sweet.
To a woman I've already had sex with, which frankly is a little bit like changing the oil in a rental car.
Let me get that.
Thank you, baby.
I hooked up with her in
You're
an
so
apartment I was pretending
sweet.
with my own. Told her I loved
Okay,
her.
let me see your nose. Where's your nose?
She got arrested for trespassing.
Where's your nose? Let me see your nose. Where's your mouth? Mouth. Where's your teeth? Teeth. Where's your ears? Ears. Where's your head? Head. Where's your belly? There's your belly. Where's your cheeks? No, baby, your cheeks. Let me see. Smile. Say cheese.
Hey, buddy, what are you looking at?
Shibani, say cheese. Okay, say bye-bye.
Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheat Cereal.
Say bye-bye.